Hi, my name is Jeff, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about the chronic kidney disease solution before actually buying the program. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about the chronic kidney disease solution is, be careful with the website you're going to buy the chronic kidney disease solution, because the chronic kidney disease solution is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is the chronic kidney disease solution, and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, the chronic kidney disease solution works. The chronic kidney disease solution is a rehabilitation program designed to eliminate kidney disease's underlying causes in a safe and natural manner. The program describes how chronic kidney disease damages the body and how it can be effectively treated. As per Dr. Shelly, approximate 50% of adults over the age of 30 suffer from chronic kidney disease. Dr. Shelly claims that many patients fail to recognize the condition in its early stages. Many of them end up taking medication to alleviate their symptoms, but fail to address the underlying cause of the problem. The creator provides you with a comprehensive recovery regimen designed to eradicate CKD at its root. In order to restore your body's equilibrium, the approach involves making tiny alterations to your diet, stomach, and environment. Initially, you will learn about some basic lifestyle modifications. These modifications will prevent further kidney damage and provide the kidneys with the space they need to recuperate. The program will then work to improve gut health by increasing the number of beneficial gut bacteria. The approach ensures full recovery from CKD, allowing you to regain your health. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with the chronic kidney disease solution, and you can have results as well. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test the chronic kidney disease solution for 60 full days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give your money back. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy the chronic kidney disease solution from, and also, if you do buy the product, enjoy all the wealth of information, take it seriously. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that the chronic kidney disease solution helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this program promotes.